You think your pet is weird?
What?
Bro, wait till you see animals that look like they escaped a glitch in nature. The last one is wild. Hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of these wild creatures. Number 5, the axolotl. A salamander that said, "I'm never growing up." Literal baby forever. Number 4, the fossil. Looks like a cat, acts like a dog, hunts like a demon chaos animal unlocked. Number 3, the okapi. Half zebra, half giraffe, all confused. Nature really mixed the wrong save files. Number 2, the quokka smiles in every picture, like it's auditioning for Instagram fame. Number 1, the shoebill stork. This bird stares into your soul like it's judging your life choices, terrifying and majestic.